Hello guys, I came across this interesting question on circular motion that I want to share with you. So stay with me, it's very simple, okay? Do well to like the video, share the video, subscribe to the channel, follow the Facebook page and the TikTok page. So let's go there, okay? A 20-toothed gear wheel drives a 60-toothed one. If the angular speed of the smaller wheel is 120 revolution per second, the angular speed of the larger wheel is... Now, you need to understand this question. I have two gears here, okay? I have the smaller gear and the big gear. The smaller gear was fixed on the big one, right? As the smaller one rotates, it will now drive the bigger one. That is what happened here. Now, the principle that we are going to use here is angular speed of my driver. Angular speed of the driver over angular speed of driven is equal to number of teeth of my driver divide by number of teeth of driven. Okay, this is the principle we are going to use, right? So let's get our angular speed of the driver. This is the driver here having an angular speed of what? If the angular speed of the smaller wheel, this is the smaller wheel, is this 120. So I have 120 divided by, let's see, the number of teeth of the driver is 20, right? Good. The next thing is angular speed of the driven, that is the angular speed of the larger wheel. We don't know, so let's just use V. Okay, then number of teeth of the driven is what? Number of teeth of the driven is 60, right? Good. You see, very simple mathematics you apply here. Cross multiply, this multiply this multiply this. So I have 120 times 60 equal to 20 times V. Divide both sides by 20, this 20, to make V stand alone, right? Good. So what I'm going to have is V is equal to 120 times 60 divided by this, right? I can perform just simple cancellation here. I don't need calculator. So this will go with what? Will go with 1 here, right? Good. 2 here, 1, 2 here, 6, right? So what I have is V equal to 6 times 60. So my V is equal to 360 revolution per second. This is the angular speed of the driven, right? You see, it's very, very simple. Okay, if you find this interesting, let me know at the comment section, right? Give me a thumbs up. Thank you. Stay back with me. Okay, bye.